Have you ever wondered how powerful raw data could be when transformed into insightful visuals? Imagine the potential of unprocessed information converted into easily digestible graphics. This transformative journey makes data more than just numbers. It becomes a clear, understandable guide. Data, when harnessed correctly, can be the guiding light for many important decisions. Imagine if data analysis was accessible to everyone, tech-savvy or not. With user-friendly tools and interfaces, anyone can dive into the data pool. By connecting disparate data sources, we establish a unified truth that everyone can comprehend. The power to analyze and understand data should not be limited to a select few. What if the insights gathered from data could be integrated into the apps we use every day? Picture this: your everyday apps, supercharged with real-time data, powered by AI and advanced tools. When insights become part of our daily tools, making informed decisions becomes second nature. Ever thought data exploration could be as easy as browsing your favorite website? With intuitive interfaces and free resources, it's simple. With the right tools, everyone can unlock the power of their data. So, are you ready to transform the way you see and use data? Embrace the power of data and watch as it revolutionizes your decision-making process.